somebody was asking about your affect displacement theory, and has it only been studied in the U.S.? Like, has there been any cross-cultural research as far as like, because in some other different countries there might be like punitive child, like there's child rearing, or maybe I actually sorry, where yeah, I think that yeah. So the question is how might it work differently in countries where punitive child rearing is more nationally slash socially acceptable? Yes. So I think was
There was one clinical psych PhD student who collected data on childhood punishment and political attitudes and attachment to parents, and in the U.S. and in Mexico, and she found that where her, I forget, either mother or father was Mexican, and so she knew about that culture. She did in the U.S. high levels of punishment decreased attachment to parents and contributed to more conservative political attitudes. In Mexico, the higher punishment did not affect the attachment to parents, but they also showed the more conservative political attitudes. So I know at least that one study has been done. And, you know, and I mean, there's a movement around the world to stop childhood punishment, to prohibit that. And actually, I just saw a US congressman just propose that here. So eventually, I think that's going to change. I mean, as I'm actually, my PhD is in social psychology. And so I would talk about childhood punishment in my classes. And, you know, if a parent uses childhood punishment, what they're doing is modeling that it's okay to use physical violence to change someone's behavior that you don't like, particularly if you're bigger and stronger than they are. And so it's really a contributor to violence in our society and our world, actually. So that I would try to change parenting as well. That's a long-term play.